Alright, let's talk about the Yamaha Ray ZR 125. I've been riding it for a few days now and honestly it surprised me. This little 125cc machine is light, nimble and built for urban riding. If you are looking to filter through traffic, yeah, it does the job. Powered by a 125cc blue core engine, it got just enough kick to ride in the city. You won't break any speed records, but that's not the point. It kicks off from the line, smooth, and it's surprisingly fun. Now, for the context, I'm 1.87 meters tall and about 100 kilos, so definitely I'm not the average scooter rider. But even for my size, the Ray ZR handles it well. The sitting position is comfy, the floorboard is not too cramped, and the suspension, let's say, it's okay for the potholes. About the fuel, it seems fuel like it's on a budget, which makes it a solid daily choice. Plus, the underseat storage fits a small helmet, but not a full face one. If you are thinking about a smart, agile, budget-friendly ride for the city, this scooter is a legit option. And trust me, it's more fun than it looks. So if you want to see more rides, real reaction, and unfiltered POVs, hit the like and the subscribe button, and see you next time.